what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the AKG in collaboration with Massdrop on the M220 Red professional headphones. Now for a short message, this video was sponsored by Massdrop, a community-driven e-commerce platform that offers great products at amazing low prices. Visit their website for more information, and while you're there, you can pick up the AKG M220 Red for $49.99. Let's do a quick unboxing and then we'll see you in a bit. Alright, so let's check out the AKG M220 Red professional headphone in collaboration with Massdrop. Yeah, let's take a look. Alright, so we have the headphone itself. Let's see what else is inside the box. There's a 3.5mm to 6.3 adapter. Comes very useful and handy. And there is nothing else, just a warranty card, and that's about it. Yeah, so with Massdrop, you can expect the packaging to be not as sleek or, but hey, it's at a very good price. So let's take a look at the headphone itself. We have a nice branding at the top here, AKG, and it has an adjustable headband right here, and detachable audio cable here, and instead is one of these mini DIN with 3 pin. It's not your usual 2.5 or your 3.5mm jack there, so that securely locks in place, very nice. And it has the left and right labeling for your, compare your left and right, yeah, and just the M220 little labeling there, and it has the AKG logo on on each of the ear cups there, and then your ear cups. Yeah, they're round. They're not oval. They're round. It feels comfortable on the ear. Let me try that on. Yeah, very nice. Yep. And it's a semi-open kind of headphone, meaning that it hasn't got the hard headphone headrest at the top here. Right, cable is it's just your usual 3.5mm at one end, and obviously you can see an adapter there. And this one is quite nice because it has the screw lock in place, so that kind of really secures that in place. A lot of the adapters don't have that, so this one comes with that, so it's quite nice. I guess if the cable is damaged later, then you can actually replace this. You get about, I think, let me just check, around about 2 meters, I think, cabling. Yeah, get a 2 meters cabling, so that's long enough for your audio listening there. So yeah, it's lightweight, it's comfortable. I think you get this for $49.99 at Massdrop, which is a very, very good price. Yeah, so the audio quality is very good. I've actually used these on my iPhone and been wearing these for about an hour or two. The bass is okay, it's very decent and not too heavy, and good, nice, clear range, mid-range. So I think to get the best use out of these, you probably need a decent amplifier to go with that. I think your phone audio player isn't quite able to drive these, so definitely use these with your hi-fi or your audio system at home. So yeah, I think this is really nice. With the M220, you get everything expected from a high-end professional headphone at an affordable price of only $49.99, and that's thanks to Massdrop. It's built for long wearing sessions, and it's incredibly light and comfortable, and comes with a headband that automatically adjusts to your head when you wear it. These headphones are built to last with replaceable ear cups as well as a detachable audio cable. Since AKG is a professional equipment maker, you expect the audio to be extremely clear with a great sound stage that's unmatched at the price range. With nearly a perfect 5-star rating and over 4,000 sold to date, it's a great value headphone to own. If you want to get a comfortable, durable and great sounding headphone with a really great price, then check out the AKG M220, only available at Massdrop for $49.99. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So this is the AKG M220 Red, the professional headphones that you can get from Massdrop. This is the Massdrop edition for $49.99. Pretty good price, so check out their website and also check out the links on our description down below. So hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment below, and don't forget you can actually buy this at Massdrop via the links down below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.